Hey guys, welcome back. So Maya 2020 has been released a few days ago. It has some new very amazing features and one of them is this sweep mesh tool. So let's take a look at that. So let's go to create and select a curve first and draw a curve. Now while selecting this curve, go to create and select this sweep mesh. It's going to convert your curve into a polygon. Now in your attribute editor, you can see this sweep mesh creator, and here we have some profiles and some other options. Let's check this polygon profile. So now you have these two types. One is circle, which we have right now in our viewport, and other one is this star. So if you click on it, you'll get a star shaped geometry. You can increase or decrease the sides. You can also increase or decrease the radius. And also cap these finish and start ends by clicking on this cap. So let's change it back to circle and give it 10 sides. Now we have this distribution. So if you click on this distribute, it will give you some options. It is going to distribute your mesh into a number of instances. So let's take the instances 5 for now. You can also change the way of distribution by going to this radial, and you can select the square or linear. So let's select the radial for now. Now you can scale down the size, and in the profile scale it down to bring them all closer. And in the transformation we have this twist option. So if you increase the value of twist, it's going to convert your wires into a rope like geometry. You can also manually add any amount like 5. So as you can see, we have some dark patches on our geometry. To fix that, just increase the precision. Let's try 80. To make it more smooth and add some more height subdivisions, you can also increase the precision to 90. And you'll get a rope like geometry or the wire or cables. So that's how you can create the ropes or cables with the sweep mesh tool. So select the curve again and go to the sweep mesh creator. Let's try this rectangle and disable the distribution and also twist to 0. So here you can see that our geometry is in a rectangular shape. You can increase or decrease the width or height, and also increase or decrease the radius for the corners to make it more or less smooth. You can also create a depth in the corners. Just turn down the corner depth. You can also use this taper option to make some more tweaks. And you can also adjust the taper curve. Like this. Click on this line and it's going to give you a flat surface, which you can also distribute or transform in any way you want. In the arc profile, it's going to give you an arc-like geometry. In the wave profile, it's going to give you a wave-like geometry which you can adjust with the instances or the transformation. You can also change the amplitude of these waves and the cycles. To make it more smooth, just increase the segments. Let's go back to the polygon and create a rope. Let's take the 5 distribution and create a twist. Bring them a little bit closer. Increase the twist to 6 and precision to 85. Now we have a rope-like geometry. Now if you go to Sweep Mesh Creator and go to UV section, you'll see that your create UVs are set to unfold. And that's the most interesting feature of this new Sweep Mesh tool. What it does that it automatically unwraps your geometry. So when you go to the UV editing and open your UV editor, go to shell mode, select all the shells and just layout, you'll see that all your geometries are perfectly unwrapped. So you don't have to unwrap anything. Just create a curve and use the Sweep Mesh tool to create cables, wires or ropes, and all your geometries will be unwrapped automatically. So let's take a look at this custom profile. For that I'm going to delete this curve and take a plane and go to face mode and delete some of these faces. Now select this plane and go to create, click on this sweep mesh and select the custom profile. Go to type and change it to poly object and select the plane, hit OK. Bring this plane outside, and if you make any changes in the plane, for example let's just select these faces and delete, then you'll see that it's changing your geometry. Select these and delete. So you can go to Sweep Mesh Creator and use all the options here. Let's rotate this to 90 and also twist it like this. Increase the precision to add more segments. It's going to be very high poly with the 100% precision. You can click on this optimize to reduce the number of polygons. So that's how the Sweep Mesh tool works in the new Maya 2022. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.